Hello everyone, my name is Su. This morning I'm gonna do something about this. At least I don't know what to do with the whole thing, but at least I'm gonna eliminate this part. Yeah, because I have babies growing and I don't want this plant to waste energy keeping up this. So one, two, three, four. 5, 6, and 7. So I have like 4 babies. Let me show you. You see here. At least I see 4. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And since they are very, very young, I'm gonna just leave them here. Yeah, for now. Yeah. So now, that one. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it. Yeah. I don't know much about this, but since the other one is got babies, I'm gonna cut here, hoping for a new plant. This. And this one going down. Yeah, I think I have to do something. I think I have to get a pot, at least 2 for this. I'm gonna cut here, the bottom. Yeah, so I can keep this straight up. So yesterday, late afternoon, we had some rain. Very unusual for California at this time of the year. And my agave had plenty of water to drink. Looking great. But I noticed something that I want to show you. Here, turning all brown over there. But this one, which is the baby, well, not baby anymore, but looks perfectly healthy. So that means that this one is something is happening. I see like 3 pops here. Yeah. So what can I do, right? Look at this. I have so many pops here, all attached to the mama because I didn't remove them. Got really big. I was thinking about watering some of my plants. Not today, not necessary, right? Yeah, everybody doing so good. Really good. And of course, my aloe ferrets got really big. Yeah, I was thinking about watering this one today, but look, not so sorry, but so healthy. Yeah. And let me tell you about this one, this agave. Yeah, getting really healthy. Look at this color, the green and the yellow. And down there I have like 3 here, and I think like 3 or 4 here. I'm not sure. Yeah. So this is good news. Yeah, I'm gonna wait until fall season, and I'm gonna separate them from mama and plant them around my garden. And look at this one, this mengave, getting taller. Look at the center part, yeah. And the other one too, that one over there. You know, I love rainy days because makes my garden look much better. So pretty. Even this one got really, really pretty. I guess I have to that had all these old, flowers done, so I can get more beautiful flowers. And look at this, the color, right? And over there, looking great. I noticed that this one got so big. Actually, this one is the mama plant, and this one got really big too. Really, really big. Yeah. All these small, babies down there. What I notice is that my Indian corn cob changing a little bit. I don't know if this is a good sign or not, but changing. Maybe because of the heat. The weather is changing lately. Only for today we are having rain, but and this aeonium, look at this, so beautiful. And this one, look at this, doing great. So this is it for today. Thank you for coming to my garden. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful